Yes, we have seen that in the last few days and weeks, the cases in Northeast have gone up. But I think it's very clear that this is primarily because of the stranded citizens of the Northeast who were in different parts of the country who have come back. And these have been mostly from red zones. So I think it's only expected that we will see some positive cases coming up. I think the issue which one has to think about is two of them. Number one is that when the people come in, they must be screened properly, which I think you're seeing that in almost all the Northeast states, and especially in Meghalaya, very strict testing protocols are being maintained. So the screening is very, very strict. And number two, I think it's important to also note that community transmission should not happen. And therefore, I think there's nothing to be alarmed. I would urge that the people should not be surprised about this. With people coming in from other states who are stranded, we should expect that there will be some more cases. It's nothing that is unexpected, but we should not worry about it, as I said, because of the fact that strict screening protocols are being maintained and testing protocols are being maintained. And number two, there is no chance of any kind of community transmission because of the fact that all of them will be kept in corona care centers or in quarantine centers. So therefore, all strict measures are being maintained, and hopefully we will not see any kind of mass spread of this. And cases of positive cases coming up is something that we can expect, simply because these stranded people who are coming back to the Northeast are coming back from red zones.